My name's Daniel, and this is my V8 go-kart. The guy I bought this from said this thing would bend in half with a V8 engine on it, and he's almost right. Welcome back, everybody. My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every single day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. We're going to keep working on these frame supports. This is the other side I made yesterday. We still got to weld it in. I'm going to make a mirror image over here on this episode, and hopefully we'll start welding those in, and that'll stiffen the frame up a lot. As you can see, it's really wobbly in the middle, so that's going to help out a ton, making it less wobbly. Yesterday I roughly sketched where I need to cut and how I need to cut. So let's jump right into a montage and start cutting those. All right, we got this one notched out. It's gonna fit on there kind of like that. I think it looks pretty similar to the other side. So I think we're gonna go with that. It looks pretty symmetrical. Let's crank up the welder and weld these bad boys in. I should probably open the door and get some of this out of here. Anyway, we got one side welded in. This side is all done. Now I just need to hop over on this side and weld this side in. I'm pretty excited to see how much stronger the frame's gonna be with just those two supports. I got both of these welded in now, so I'm excited to jump on it and see how strong it is. I think that's mostly the tires. I'll have to review the footage, but definitely stronger, and this is not where we're going to stop with strengthening this thing. Let's cut back to the original footage where I'm bouncing on it, and then we'll splice in the new footage of me bouncing on it and just compare the two. The guy I bought this from said it would bend in half if I put a V8 engine on it. I'll let you guys decide. Is that any stronger than it was? I think it turned out really well. Like I said, I'm going to do some more bracing. I'm going to do one underneath in the back here, so it's kind of double parallel frame rails in the back, but I don't know what I'm doing yet in the back, so we're not going to do that just yet. And then we might do some kind of X bracing somewhere, but I also don't know what I'm doing yet as far as the transmission and things like that, so that's all to be disclosed. We'll figure that when we get there, and then we could always work in some additional bracing once we have that stuff figured out. I just want to kind of solid the frame up. That way it doesn't bend in half while we're trying to test it or maybe work on it a little. And then we can add additional bracing later. And that's it for tonight. I appreciate everybody that's tuning in, liking, commenting, subscribing. I think 90% of my viewers aren't subscribed, so please subscribe. I need your help. I'm making a video every single day, so please check back tomorrow, and there'll be another video on the V8 go-kart.